Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of volume. This is standard 7.9a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 22 of the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a pencil holder here, shaped like a triangular prism. Simply means that we've got two triangular bases. This last one is kind of hidden in the back here. And they're stretched out and you've got rectangles supporting them. The height of the pencil holder is 12 centimeters. So we've got that right there. And then they give you the whole volume. Look at that, the volume. So that's right, how many little cubes you can put in there. It's going to be 216 centimeters cubed. Now, typically, we're asked to find the volume. So I wonder what they want us to do here. The area of the base of the pencil holder. So we need to find the area of this base. And we don't have F, G, H, or J to choose from. So we need to fill in our answer on the answer document. So there are two different equations that you think we might need, and we actually only need one of them. So when we're looking for the area of the base, and we know it's a triangle, so I'm going to put it area of a triangle. That's 1/2 base times height. But we've got problems. The only distance we have here is that 12 centimeters, and that's the height of the triangular prism. When we're looking at 1/2 base times height, let me just kind of put that up there. Let me rotate it up so we can see it a little bit better. We need this base right here, which we don't have. We also need this height right here, which we don't have. So that's one way to find the area of this triangle, is if we had a value here and a value here, we can just take 1/2 and then multiply those two. But we don't have those. So we do have a height. We do have a volume. So let's go to the other equation. This one's going to work for us. The volume of any prism, really simple, base times height. That's all it is, base times height. Doesn't matter what the base is. In this case, it's triangular base. In other cases, it might be rectangular, might be a cube. You could even do pentagonal, hexagonal, octagonal prisms. As long as you can find the base, multiply by the height, you're good to go. Well, let's just plug these numbers in. So my volume, that's the 216. So I'm going to take my volume equals base times height, then I'm going to say that's 216. I'll drop the centimeters cubed for now. We don't know the base, that's what we're looking for, but we do know the height. So 216 equals b times 12. Well, that's pretty straightforward. Let's just divide both sides by 12, right? That's going to isolate my b. So that's going to get my b equals, let's see, what in the world is 12 into 216? 12 goes into 21 one time, not quite twice. So that's going to be 96. I know my 12, so that's 8 actually. So that's 96. So there we go. So my b equals 18. And if we wanted, we could verify. We can multiply 12 times 18, but it gets back up to 216. But look at this. Now we've got to bubble it in. We can do all of that correct and still get the answer wrong if we don't know how to bubble it in. So on your answer document, you've got a little very thin column with a decimal. Can't do anything there. There's no bubbles underneath. You got 2 digits to the right. You don't need either of those. You got 4 digits to the left. You simply need to put 18 right there, and the 10s and the 1s, and bubble underneath, and you're good to go.